Hello dear students, welcome to BioLearn. I am Akshay Dave and in this video, I'll demonstrate how to draw the structure of a typical chromosome. This diagram about the structure of a typical chromosome is one of the easiest diagrams included in the curriculum of ICSE Biology Class 10. Before we start, let me quickly mention the guidelines for drawing diagrams in ICSE exams. Following these guidelines will never get you wrong. First of all, use pencil only for all the components of the diagram. Never use a pen for diagrams. Next, avoid using colors, just use pencil. Keep it simple. Add appropriate labels with correctly marked arrows. Add an appropriate title below the diagram. Remember, below the diagram and not anywhere else. Now, as we are clear about these guidelines, let's get started. Grab a pencil and a paper to begin with. You can also keep an eraser ready in case you need it to correct your diagram. First, we will draw a thick circular centromere around which we will draw two sister chromatids. You can even draw just one chromatid. However, it's better to draw sister chromatids in a typical chromosome. Next, thicken the area on the ends of each chromatid to show the telomere. After that, draw a coiled pattern inside each chromatid to suggest the presence of DNA. The diagram is done. Now let's start labeling the parts one by one. The central constricted area is the centromere. The thick area on the ends of chromatids is the telomere. The coiled pattern inside the chromatids is the DNA. In a typical chromosome, the part of chromatid which is generally shorter is referred as the P arm, while the arm that is a bit longer is referred as the Q arm. Labels done. Now the final step is to add an appropriate title, and that is below the diagram. So the title is Structure of a Typical Chromosome. That's all for this diagram video. Share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel BioLearn for learning biology through such kind of videos. Take care and see you in the next video.